Fixing a paper jam for select HP Color LaserJet Pro printers.
If your printer control panel displays a paper jam error, paper might be jammed inside the printer's paper path. Clear any paper jams and the error message to resume printing. Paper stuck in the printer's paper path can cause jams. Remove any jammed paper from the paper trays, rear door, and the ADF, or automatic document feeder. Power off the printer. Turn to the rear and disconnect the power cord from the printer and the other end from the power source. Return to the front of the printer. If paper is visible in the output bin, remove it with 2 hands. Slide out tray 2 from the printer. Remove any jammed or damaged sheets of paper from the tray. Slide the priority feed slot out of the printer. Remove any jammed paper in the tray and in the tray 2 cavity. Slide the priority feed slot tray back into the printer. Reinsert and slide in tray 2 to close it. Turn to the rear. Open the rear door. Remove any jams from the rollers using 2 hands if possible. Close the rear door. Open the ADF cover. Remove any jammed paper with 2 hands. Close the ADF cover. Lift the document feeder input tray to access underneath. Remove any jammed paper from the output bin. Lower the document feeder input tray. Return to the front. Open the scanner lid. Remove any jammed paper from behind the white plastic backing. Close the scanner lid. Go to the rear. Reconnect the power cord to the printer, then plug the other end into a wall outlet. Return to the front. Power on the printer. Try to print your document. If there is still a paper jam error on the printer, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer might help clear paper jams, even if there is no jammed paper. Go to the rear. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord. Unplug the other end of the power cord from the power source. Wait at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the power source. HP recommends you use a wall outlet for best results. Reconnect the other end of the power cord to the printer. Return to the front. The printer should automatically power on. If it does not, press the power button. Try to print your document. If there is still a paper jam error on the printer, continue to the next step. If you have completed all the steps and are still experiencing issues, the printer might need to be serviced. Your options for service might vary depending on how long you have owned the printer and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out the support options for your printer.